Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the preposition of time. We have at, on, in. So we use these three prepositions to talk about the time. So at comes before time. Example, at 7 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, at 9:30. The second preposition is on. It comes before days. Example, on Friday, on Saturday. And the last one is in, and it comes before seasons, months, and years. So let's practice together. So the first question is spring. So what do you think the right preposition is? So the first one is going to be in. Why we use in? Because it comes before spring, and as you know, before spring, which is a season, we have to use in. The second one is Monday. So as we have already mentioned before, days of the week, we have to use on. So on Monday, it is a day. Number 3, 7 p.m. As you know, before any time, we'll have to use at. So the right option here is at 7 p.m. Number 4 is June. So June is a month. So as you know here, before months we use in. So it's going to be in June. Number 5 is a bit complicated because we have here a day. Sorry, we have a month, which is March, and then we have a day, which is 17, and we have a year. So what do you think is the right option? So basically here we're emphasizing on the day, which is March the 17th. Okay, we're not emphasizing on March or 2007, but we are focusing on the day, which is 17. So in this option, we are going to use on, because we're talking about the day, which is the 17th, on March the 17th, 2007. Number 6, we have Tuesday. So Tuesday is a day. Automatically, we're going to use on. Now we have summer. Number 7, we have already explained that before seasons, we have to use in. So we are going to use in summer. October, it is a month. So we have to use, again, in. Before the last question, which is number 9, it's midnight. So midnight here, it's a time. It's a period of time. So we have to use at. So at midnight. And finally, the last question, which is number 10, I'll leave you do it by yourself. And I want you to write it in a comment below and tell me what is the right preposition that we have to use in this question number 10. Is it at, on, or in? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.